What's good, everybody? This is your boy. I am just now getting back from a awesome session with Paul Ingram. I just got to shout Paul Ingram out, man. Paul Ingram is a monstrosity, man. Like, his ear, he's a blessing. He's blessing my project. He's blessing everything that we touch. We did a live session back in October, and we had to find out. We did a live session back in October, and he did the overdubs and the mix down for it, and it was when the video come out, y'all will love it. I'm on my way back home. It's raining. I'm tired, but I had a good day. I just want to shout out my brother Jonathan Manning. I had a good time. Someone to say, I don't know if I said it, but I had a real good time. I don't know if y'all can see me because I'm in the cab. I had a real good time Sunday night, hanging out with my family. It was just crazy. Christmas was just awesome. It has been a long day, but bless God, I'm on my way home. I'm gonna bite me a piece of this chicken, and I'm gonna go to bed. Shout out to Jonathan Manning again. Jonathan Manning make you look like you somebody celebrity or something, and it's not even like that. John, it's this weight loss, man. It was a plethora of a lot of things, and then on top of that, I just want to live, man. I want to live, and I want to be here to see my children grow and see my grandchildren. My father, God rest his soul, my father was taken out of here immediately. He was 55 years old, and he passed away from a massive heart attack. And high blood pressure, hypertension, heart disease runs in my family. So I made the decision that I wasn't going to be taken out or give the enemy a foothold to, kill me. So I started just walking and, eating right and doing a little better with my eating and, just being conscious. And it's not just, dieting, it's a mindset change. And I just did it. And I'm still doing it. I'm still trying to make I'm making 225. I'm getting under 300. We working to try to get under that 300, but I want to make it to 225. So y'all just pray for me. I'm gonna be all right. I'm gonna make it. I gotta shut up, mouse. Shut up. Just shut up before you say something. Just shut up. All right. But the session was killer tonight. Paul Ingram, shout out. Paul Ingram, shout out to DMG. Shout out to, God is doing some great things, and this is the year 2013. It's the year to shut up and let them see it. Peace out.